Okay, number 1, product of powers. If the expressions multiplied have the same base, add the exponents. Okay, so we have an example. X raised to a times x raised to b, it is equal to x raised to a plus b. Okay, we copy the exponent and then we add the exponent, which is a plus b. Example, 2x raised to 3 times 5x raised to 4. Okay. Okay, in this example, we're going to multiply the numerical coefficient, which is 2 and 5. So now we have 2 times 5. And then we have the same variable x. So we're going to add their exponent. We have 3 plus 4. Okay? So, i-multiply natin yung numerical coefficient, tapos ipag-add natin yung exponent ng same variable, which is x. So, 2 times 5 is equal to 10, and x raised to 3 plus 4 is 7. Therefore, the answer is 10x raised to 7. Okay, next we have the second law, power of a power. If the expression raised to a number is raised by another number, multiply the exponents. Okay, we have x raised to a, then raised to another power b, and then it is equal to x raised to a times b. I-multiply yung exponent. Okay, we have the square of 3x raised to 4. Then, it is equal to we distribute the exponent. So, we have 3 square, then x raised to 4 times the another exponent, 2. Okay, and then now 3 square, it becomes 3 times 3. Then, we have x raised to 4 times 2. 3 square again is 9, and then 4 times 2 is 8. So, therefore, the answer is 9x raised to 8. So, that is power of a power. Okay, next, let's have the third law, power of a product. If the multiplied expressions is raised by a number, multiply the exponents, then multiply the expressions. Okay, we have x raised to a, y raised to b, raised to another power c, then it is equal to x raised to a times c. Okay, we're going to distribute their exponent, and then we multiply a times c. Then we have y raised to b times c. Okay, example, we have x squared, y cubed to the 4th power. Okay, in this situation, in this expression, we're going to distribute the exponent. Okay, we have x squared times the power 4. Then y, we have y cubed times 4. Then it is equal to x raised to 2 times 4 is 8. Then y 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so we multiply their exponent. Okay, so next let's have the fourth law, quotient of power. If the ratio of two expressions is raised to a number, then x raised to a over x raised to b, it is equal to x raised to a minus b. Okay, we subtract their exponent. Okay, so let's have an example. We have 6x raised to 7 over 2x cubed. Okay, so in this situation, we're going to divide 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And then, x raised to 7 over x raised to 3. Then, we subtract the exponent, 7 minus 3. Then, the answer now is 3x raised to 4, which is 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, next, let's have another law, which is the negative exponent. So, if the exponent is negative, then it will becomes x raised to negative a will becomes 1 over x raised to a. Okay, again, pag negative ang exponent, magwo 1 over tayo o magkakaroon tayo ng fraction sa kagawing positive yung exponent. Okay, so we have an example, x raised to negative 3, then it becomes 1 over x cubed. Okay, so next, zero exponent. Any number or variable raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay? So, x raised to 0 equals 1. Okay? Example, 2 raised to 0 is 1. Number 2 example, 3x raised to 0 equals 3 raised to 0, x raised to 0, then it is equal to 1 dahil naka-parenthesis siya. Kahit anong number na nakalagay sa parenthesis, any number or variable, basta nasa loob siya ng parenthesis at naka-raise sa 0, equals 1. Okay, next number 3, 5a times 4x raised to 0 equals 5a. Then 4x raised to 0 is equal to 4 raised to 0 x raised to 0. Then we have now 5a. 4 raised to 0 is 1. X raised to 0 is 1. So now we have 5a times 1 times 1 equals 1. Then 5a times 1 equals 5a. Okay, now we're going to apply the laws of exponents. So let's have some exercises. We write each expression with positive exponents. So let's have number 1. X raised to negative 4. So this is negative exponent. Therefore, we have 1 over x raised to 4. Okay, next, let's have number 2. A raised to negative 3 over b raised to negative 2. So, a raised to negative 3 is 1 over, this is negative exponent, so we have 1 over a raised to 3 all over, b raised to negative 2 is 1 over b squared. Okay, then it is equal to 1 over a raised to 3 divided by 1 over b squared. Okay, so if we divide fractions, we cross multiply. So 1 times b squared and 1 times a over a cube. Then it's equal to 1 times b squared is b squared and 1 times a cube, it is equal to a cube. Therefore, we have b squared over a cube. Next, number 3, a raised to negative 4, b raised to negative 3. Then, it is equal to the negative exponent 1 over a raised to 4 times b raised to negative 3 is 1 over b cubed. And then, we multiply. 1 times 1 equals 1. And a raised to 4 times b cubed is equal to a raised to 4 b cubed. So that is the answer for a raised to negative 4, b raised to negative 3. Next, number 4, a raised to 7, b raised to negative 5. Then we have a raised to 7 times b raised to negative 5 is equivalent to 1 over b raised to 5. And then we multiply a raised to 7 times 1 is equal to a raised to 7 over b raised to 5. Then next, number 5, we have x minus y over x plus y raised to 0. Then now we have x minus y all over any number na naka-raise to 0 is 1. So that's why we have x minus y.